Hi everyone, Ana Paula Hurtado here. In this video, we're gonna learn how to get data in Power BI Desktop from OneDrive. Stay tuned. Good. We're going to learn how to connect a file that is saved in OneDrive folder. First, you need to navigate to your OneDrive folder on the web. You need to identify your data source or your file to connect to Power BI Desktop. I'm going to show you how to navigate to the copy icon on the web. And we're going to select that link and then we'll move to Power BI Desktop to connect the data. And from that menu, we are going to select this time web. Yes, because we are going to connect data directly from the web. And then a dialog box is gonna open. We're gonna paste the link and that's it. 4 simple steps. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect data directly from my OneDrive folder. So first I'm going to identify the file. This is the file, and I'm going to select here in this ellipses to open more and select details. And in the more details pane, you see here, we're gonna scroll down, and do you see this copy icon next to the path? So yes, select that. And now that is selected, we are gonna move to Power BI, and here either you can get data from here or connect data from here, or you can close this and pick here, open this menu, and we're gonna connect the data directly from the web. Yes, from OneDrive. Okay, so select that, and you see, you're gonna paste here what you just copied from OneDrive path, and that's it. 4 simple steps. You have connected your data source from the OneDrive. As you can see, Power BI Desktop did this phenomenal thing for me. Connected the information I have in OneDrive to Power BI Desktop. Next, I'm gonna click on Transform Data. But I'm gonna show you how to transform and shape your data in the next following videos. I would like to know if you like this video. Also, if you have any feelings or comment, leave it in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next following videos. Bye.